Hi folks, this is Scott and welcome to your virtual video walk around. This is the 2016 the Ford F-150. Stock number is T20307A. Let's take you on a virtual video walk around, show you the exterior, the interior. This has an absolute clean Carfax history report and it is a one owner. Absolutely impeccable, just over 30,000 miles also. Super duper clean pickup. Does have the tow package, as you can tell. Oil changes for life, warranty protection for life. You just get more at no extra cost to you from Sunset Ford. Let's take notice of the interior rear if you're traveling with your friends or family. Ample legroom, very comfortable seating. It's got the dual moonroof. Makes me want to take a trip over the mountains and go see my Aunt Jenny. Take notice of the interior condition of the front. No rips, no tears, no stains. Easy accessible controls within arm's length. Fully loaded, all power options. You know she won't last long. To see this truck or any other trucks in our inventory, it's vast. Call us, email us, text us. Better yet, come on down. We'd like to meet with you. Better yet, hopefully earn your business. Hope you've enjoyed your virtual video walk around. Make it a great day.